Good morning, everybody. It's TJ. You guys have just gotten up like a few minutes ago, and I'm starving to death. Y'all, I didn't sleep with a darn last night. The bed here, gosh. We've been coming here for years, and the bed has been fine. And then a couple of years ago, they changed the mattresses. And what we have is a timeshare. So we don't have any control over that, and it's terrible. You like sink into it. Who in the world can sleep like that? I like a good firm mattress. Me and my husband both. And last night I went to bed probably about midnight. Woke up at about 1:30 in the morning and couldn't go back to sleep till almost 5. So here I am. But at least we're on vacation. Yay! I was thinking about pulling out the sofa bed and trying that. We have a sofa bed. I'm not going upstairs. This is a 2-story and it gets hot up there, so I ain't doing that. No. But you guys, this morning I figured I'd do something a little different. I'm frying me some eggs this morning, and I like my eggs. I like for my yolk to be runny and all of my white done on both sides. And I have seen that a lot of people don't know how to really do that good. You know what I mean? So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So here we go. Got my stuff out. I turn my burner. Well, I'm going to turn it on high first to get it started heating up. Y'all, I'm in my pajamas, so I ain't felt like getting dressed yet. See? Still in my pajamas. I'm terrible, I know. It's bad this morning. I'm tired from yesterday, all the traveling. But anyway. And of course, my burner's going to smoke. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's smoking. I'm going to turn it down to about half on medium. I'll take my butter, put it in there, and put it on your spatula. Just spread it on there real good. Okay. I told my husband I was going to make a video of this, and he's like, what? I said, well, you'd be surprised. A lot of people just don't know how to get it to turn out right. There we go. That's better. I do one at a time. So that it turns out right. It turns out better that way. Don't try to do more than one at a time, even if you have a bigger pan. I have a bigger pan, but I'm not using it because I only want to do one at a time, so I can watch it really good. Let me go grab some salt and pepper that's on the table. So, y'all, I feel like I've been put through the ringer. See how it's turning white already? You gotta cook it slow, y'all. You gotta cook it slow. Don't be frying it like you're deep frying something. They don't turn out right like that. Some pepper. I like a lot of pepper, y'all. And because I don't have a proper dispenser, I don't like a lot of salt. Of course, that was too much in my hand. These burners are crooked. They don't sit in there right. And poke the white part around it. So you're getting it, I don't know what to call it, but you're getting the cooking going up into it better. I'm gonna put me some toast on, y'all. I would pause this, but I want y'all to see how long it actually takes. Ooh, this spatula is terrible. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to do it this way. Lay it on there and flip it over. I've had to do that before. I couldn't pick it up with a spatula because the spatula is of poor quality. So that's why you want to cook one at a time and use a small pan in case you have to do that. Yeah. There's one. Rebutter. Put your next one in. Getting just a little bit of salt out of one of those things isn't all that easy. But this one will cook faster because the burner is good and heated. But y'all, ain't nothing like a good egg when it's cooked right. I don't know how well this toaster toasts either. I don't like mine really toasted, so I have to watch it. Look at there. Beautiful. Use Teflon. Don't you try to use an iron skillet because you're not going to be able to flip it like that. So, just do it the easy way, you know, to where you're not trying to scrape it off because that's what ruins your egg right there. Hey, look, my butter's done. Oh, not my butter, but my toast, y'all. I'm just gonna rub this on there. And it's 2 done, of course. And this is done. Beautiful. Turn that off. Okay. Of course, my hand is all greasy. Let me get a knife. Well, now, this is why we cook it like this, y'all. So we could do this. Y'all see that? My husband's over there laughing at me, y'all, because he don't like eggs like this. He thinks I'm crazy. You guys hungry yet? I won't be here in a few minutes. But anyway, that is it for today. Or for now. Not for the day, because I was thinking about showing you guys our condo. I don't know. So, let me know if you guys want to see it. Just a video showing you guys the condo, and I walk out onto my decks and show y'all what's out back. This place is pretty awesome. We have an in-ground indoor pool, an in-ground outdoor pool. We have basketball courts, tennis courts, horseshoes. We are on the Chattahoochee River. They do all kinds of stuff here. Like Tuesday, we'll be doing, they're going to be doing, making Epsom salt scrubs and sugar scrubs, which is weird to me. I've heard of Epsom salt scrubs, but not sugar ones. So I was thinking about trying to attend that and see if I can't learn something new. Maybe even if there's not a lot of people there, record it. I don't know. We'll see. But you guys let me know if you want to see the condo. I will talk to y'all in a little while. Bye-bye.